Good morning, everyone. It's early, but I wanted to share what I'm having for breakfast today. And I'm actually going to show you what I have for the entire day, what I eat on WW Blue. So today I'm just having a pretzel bagel from Trader Joe's, whipped cream cheese, and a nice fresh 2 slices of homegrown tomatoes with a little salt. And on the cream cheese is a little everything bagel seasoning that I make myself. So I'm gonna put the points on the screen. I can't look them up because the WW app is down right now. So I will have to do that later. And here's my coffee in my cute little cup. And that is a cold brew coffee with 2 tablespoons of the hazelnut creamer that I most often use. You guys have seen it before. So again, I'll put the points down on the screen because I can't look up the points on the bagel. So stay tuned for my lunch. And here's my lunch. I had a really big breakfast that was worth 15 points. So I'm just gonna keep it kind of simple for lunch today. It's kind of a rainy Saturday, gloomy. So I'm just keeping it simple with some scrambled eggs and a sliced homegrown tomato that my dad grew. So delicious. So of course the eggs are 0. The tomato is 0. I did add a little bit of butter. I believe it was a teaspoon of butter for, I gotta check the points on that. Sorry, I'll put it on the screen for 1 teaspoon of butter, how many WW Blue points it is. So here's my lunch. Stay tuned for a snack or my dinner, whichever I decide. So stick around. And here's my dinner. Doesn't look so appetizing, but this is a turkey burger with 2 slices of the ultra thin Swiss cheese. So the turkey burger is 5 points. The Swiss is 3. And there's just some onions and mushrooms on top, grilled with Pam in the pan. And those are some bread and butter pickles. And for 1/8 of a cup, it's only 1 point. And 1 tablespoon of ketchup I'm gonna have, and that's 1 point. So that is a total of, let's see, 5, 3, 9, 10 points for my dinner. I'm definitely gonna have something after dinner later on, so I'll show you what that is. Stay tuned. So it's a little bit after dinner now, a little bit later, and I'm gonna have one of these kind thin bars, and they really pack a punch of flavor for just 4 points. So it'll make me really satisfied for that chocolate craving, and they're delicious. And I'm gonna have a little bit more water for the day, and I'm all done. So this is what the box looks like. If you guys wanna try these, they're really definitely worth the 4 points for sure. So I hope you enjoyed this, what I eat in a day. I ate 31 out of 31 points on WW Blue, and I'm really happy. The meals were a little strange today, but you know, it's a day in the life. Everything's not always salads and grilled chicken. So I hope you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Hit the bell notification so you can see what I upload. I like to do a lot of cook with me videos also. So if you enjoy cooking or just getting meal ideas, if you want to hit that bell, it would be great. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, check me out on Instagram. It's Cindy's_success. And over there, I just post pictures. I love to do that, usually of food. So I also do a little preview of what the video is going to be about for the coming Monday. I usually post on Mondays. So I hope you check it out. And have a great night. See you soon.